Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the 13-inch M1, and you can see this is RAM is 16 gigabyte and the storage is 512 gigabytes. And let me show you the battery, and you can see the battery cycle count of 55 and the battery capacity is 98. And you can see the GPU 8 core and okay, you can see the CPU 8 core and 16 gigabytes. And also let me show you the display. Okay, you can see the display is okay. The function is normal. No bright spots and no dark spots. Okay, no problem. The display. And let me change another color. A dark green. Okay, you can see the display is okay. No problem. No problem. Okay, let me change another color. Okay, the display, no problem. Okay, display, no problem. And you can see the touch bar, no problem. And you can see the touch bar, no broken. The little display, no broken here. Oh, here's a little scratch here. You can see the touch bar, a little scratch. Okay. Okay, no broken. And you can see the trackpad function. No problem, trackpad function. And let me show you the logo surface. You can see the logo, the shiny logo, no problem. You can see the M1 16 gigabyte 512 2020. And you can see no scratch here. Then let me show you the back. Okay. Okay, here you can see a sticker mark here. Not clear, but you can see it. Now you can see it. Sticker mark. And you can see here. Okay, here's a scratch here. Okay. This is the machine sticker mark and a scratch. Okay, if you want to buy, you can contact me. The scratch. Okay, and here. Okay, let me show you the specification one more time. Okay, you can see this is MacBook Pro. The chip is M1 and 16 gigabyte and 512 gigabyte. Okay. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, see you in the next video.